Here we go. This is, hi, here we go. Yeah, what are we, box set number 3. This is a whole new series. Hopefully you're enjoying all the science and having lots of fun and experimenting and just really having have some good learning, some good play and exploration with your kids. It's teacher videos. These are included in the box. I'll show you how that works. It's a good starter. In your box, a little bit of noise, and yeah. Okay, those work. Quite fun. That'll definitely engage the kids. Along with that, looking at the forces involved. Where's our... Yeah, through the air. So we've got a little balloon helicopter on here. Looking at flight, lots of things, and what flies, what glides. We're doing lift and weight. So lift goes up, gravity, weight holds it down. Then you've got thrust and drag. So 4 forces. So physics is all about forces. So 4 forces in flight. And I've been doing this in the classroom, and middles and juniors probably aren't going to get the forces. Seniors will get it. But it's good to, you can give them words, the vocabulary. They can identify that there is, when something's in the air, it either stays up or stays down. And gravity is a good one. And whether you're going forward or backwards, fairly simple. Simple concepts. There's that. And we've got a sheet of these. These are the little helicopters. Lots to do with them. You can have big ones, little ones. I've got, these are for practice. Because there can be, so you've got 2 different kinds. So you've got the white ones, which they can color in, and it's more of a practice. You don't cut the dotted lines. You only go snip there, and you go snip there. And you cut it out as you cut it out. Okay. And the only other place you can cut, you should cut, is down. I'll put it this way. That way. There, and one goes that way, one goes that way. A little bit of practice with these, so you can color these in and practice on these. You can photocopy them, quite fun. Very engaging. It gives a little toy for the kids to take home. And with a paper clip, or even you can use blue tack on the end. And these, once you've done these, once they know, you can make those in 2 different sizes. Then you go on to these big ones. Now these are awesome. And these, they can take these home for sure. These are pretty new. You got a little bit careful cutting them out. But it's the same construction method. So you've got that on both sides. And when these spin, it's a bit of a hypnotic, bit of a optical illusion. So that goes like that, and one goes either way. And so just have to be careful. So it's really good to practice the cutting first, and then you only cut there and there. And then the other one was the loop glider. So the only thing that flies in this box is the helicopter, the balloon helicopter, because it has its own thrust. It's got its own, that's why I put it in there. It's got its own power source to propel it through the air. These other ones, that's where people get confused, where they look like they're flying, but they're actually, it's just gliding. So with these ones, the loop glider, plenty of experimentation to do with these. See, the short one goes that way, and the long one goes that way. It gives you a big one in the back and a small one in the front. So when you look through, yeah, just like that. So you see both of them. And then they, those are great. And again, you can experiment with different weights, different circles. You can, kids create all kinds of amazing aircraft that just glide through the air. And you can have competitions, you can measure them, decorate them. And that's the flight through the air. It's a great box.